Your first step to gain access to the valve discs will be to remove the white nylon nut at the rear of the camshaft. The camshaft can now be lifted off. The current camshaft is a single black molded piece. On earlier units, a white segmented type was used. As with the screens, these too are interchangeable. There are also two optional camshafts available. Both are segmented with white and gray cam lobes. The camshaft with one gray lobe is a long rinse version, which extends the slow rinse and purge cycles. The camshaft with two gray lobes is an extra salt long rinse version, which will use double the amount of salt set on the brine control during regeneration. The rinse and purge cycles are extended. It is used for large capacity systems which utilize large salt dosages. Take note, the camshaft fits into the output connector on the back of the timer. It is keyed to assure it only goes in the proper way. Unplug the timer. Remove the timer by turning the locking pin to a vertical position and then pull it out. The timer then lifts out of the bracket.